A cryptocurrency is a digital asset that can circulate without the centralized authority of a bank or government. To date, there are more than 20,000 cryptocurrency projects out there that represent the entire $1.07 trillion crypto market. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to Dogecoin and Tether, there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies, making it overwhelming when you're first getting started in the world of crypto. To help you get your bearings, we are going to talk about top 5 cryptocurrencies based on their market capitalization. Number 1. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a digital currency which operates free of any central control or the oversight of banks or governments. Instead, it relies on peer-to-peer software and cryptography. A public ledger records all Bitcoin transactions and copies are held on servers around the world. Anyone with a spare computer can set up one of these servers, known as a node. Consensus on who owns which coins is reached cryptographically across these nodes rather than relying on a central source of trust like a bank. Every transaction is publicly broadcast to the network and shared from node to node. Every 10 minutes or so, these transactions are collected together by miners into a group called a block and added permanently to the blockchain. This is the definitive account book of Bitcoin. Created in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency. As with most cryptocurrencies, BTC runs on a blockchain, or a ledger logging transactions distributed across a network of thousands of computers. Because additions to the distributed ledgers must be verified by solving a cryptographic puzzle, a process called proof of work, Bitcoin is kept secure and safe from fraudsters. Bitcoin's price has skyrocketed as it's become a household name. In May 2016, you could buy one Bitcoin for about $500. As of August 1, 2022, a single Bitcoin's price was around $23,046. That's growth of more than 4,500%. Number 2. Ethereum. Ethereum is a technology that's home to digital money, global payments, and applications. The community has built a booming digital economy, bold new ways for creators to earn online, and so much more. It's open to everyone, wherever you are in the world. All you need is the internet. Both a cryptocurrency and a blockchain platform, Ethereum is a favorite of program developers because of its potential applications, like so-called smart contracts that automatically execute when conditions are met and non-fungible tokens. Ethereum has also experienced tremendous growth. From April 2016 to the beginning of August 2022, its price went from about $11 to around $1,640, increasing around 14,800%. Number 3. Tether. Tether tokens are the most widely adopted stablecoins, having pioneered the concept in the digital token space. A disruptor to the conventional financial system and a trailblazer in the digital use of traditional currencies, Tether tokens support and empower growing ventures and innovation throughout the blockchain space. Tether tokens exist as a digital token built on multiple blockchains. Unlike some other forms of cryptocurrency, Tether is a stablecoin, meaning it's backed by fiat currencies like US dollars and the euro and hypothetically keeps a value equal to one of those denominations. In theory, this means Tether's value is supposed to be more consistent than other cryptocurrencies, and it's favored by investors who are wary of the extreme volatility of other coins. Number 4. US Dollar Coin. Launched in 2018 by Center, a consortium founded by Circle and Coinbase, USD Coin was created as a regulated stablecoin that runs on blockchain technology. Stablecoins like USDC are used differently than cryptos like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which fluctuate in price. The sole purpose of this crypto is to provide a stable store of value, rather than provide an asset that, theoretically, appreciates in value over time. USDC is powered by Ethereum, and you can use USD Coin to complete global transactions. Number 5. Binance Coin. Binance Coin was launched in China in August 2017. The platform itself experienced a significant rise in popularity over the past months together with the BNB coin. Just like other cryptocurrency exchanges, Binance will match your orders to buy or sell cryptocurrencies with those of other users on its platform in exchange for the relevant fees. As the major characteristics which distinguish one exchange from another are related to the matching engine capacity, fees, and the liquidity volume, Binance uses the BNB coin to make the platform more attractive for those who hold it. It can also be traded or exchanged for other forms of cryptocurrency, such as Ethereum or Bitcoin. BNB's price in 2017 was just 10 cents. By early August 2022, its price had risen to around $284, a gain of approximately 283,900%.